Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, I have a new fine cheaper items that I found in Dillard's store, and they're having like their accessories here. They're having Coach, Kurt Geiger, and I found this two item over here. So this cute card holder wallet and this one over here. This one doesn't comes in bags, and I only paid for like $20 something for this, and I like it. They have two of this, like the black one and this color, and I found in love with this one because the color is so vibrant, and this one it's more like vernice leather, and it has 1 2 3 5 compartment of card holder. The inside is like a brown color or yellowish, and yeah, and so the other compartment of the card holder, it's a really good deal because sometimes Dillard's having like 65% off, and I'm glad that I found this too, and it's so cute. And also this one, I'm gonna show you this, guys. This is so darn cute when I saw this one, and good thing that it comes with this box sometimes, because it's also having 65% off. The box is nowhere to be found. Sometimes they do like I have right now. And yeah, let's see. So this one I paid only $33.25 plus tax, so which is really good deal. Let's see, guys, I'm just removing this one over here, plastic, and the item is this one. Oh my god, when I saw it I said, oh my god, that is so cute. I don't know what I can wear this. It's probably like if you go like a quick getaway, or like if you're going to cruise. And I'm also gonna see if what are the cards will fit in this one, and this is the price I paid. And the chain itself, it's removable, which is I can use the chain with my other bags, like my other Coach, and well, it's the one that I have, this kind of silvery rusty kind of color. It's so and I said to myself, sold. And also comes with this, I think they will give you an extra bid. So see, open this, so open like this, and this is the free over here. And this one comes with a mirror. See, it has a mirror. It still have plastic in it, as you can see, guys. And it comes with this, I don't know if it just come out, you just put in something anyway to replace the beads. I just set aside. And right now I'm gonna look something what really fits in this one. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I'm grabbing a few items, and let's start with this full size of lipstick. Let's see over here. Woohoo! I was surprised if it fits. Let's see. I can put that one. And I put a few cash in here. Like probably the cash would be full like this. And let me remove right now the strap so it doesn't, making noise. So there's a cash and a lipstick, the full size of lipstick. And let's see if it's fit my card over here. Find a card that doesn't show my, so okay, I'm just want to show, here's my card. So unfortunately the card itself, it doesn't fit. So guys, it doesn't fit at all, as you can see. So the card doesn't fit. And let's see if it's closed. Charan, it does really close. To have cash, lipstick, and let's see if it would fit with this small perfume. This is a travel size. So I just put like that. Charan. It fits your essential, but you cannot fit your card. But just if you bring this out, just bring a cash or something. I think this is perfect when you go a cruise, because in a cruise, we went this last April, and because you put your card, they have like called it sea pass, and everything you buy over there or buy a drink or something, you don't need your card or cash because they charge you automatic in the sea pass, and then they will see everything you purchase in the app. So if you do a cruise, you should upload that so you can see how much you spend or which one that you purchase an item that during on the cruise. So yes, and now let's move on. What else that fits in this? I'm pretty sure the card holder will not fit, and I'm glad that the full size of lipstick will fit. I have two different style of a lipstick over here, the round one or the regular, but this one both is a small size. So I'm pretty sure it will fit over here. And so let's see, no, it doesn't fit with 3 over there, but I'm glad it fits because it fits the full size. Let's say put my AirPad. Only AirPod would fit in here and a cash. So the AirPad and the cash will fit definitely. So let's move this, and then let's see if you just right here, the card, I mean this is the card key and the cash. Card key, cash, and a lipstick. Because also for me it will also good for like going night out. But the problem is your card will not fit in here. But if you have Apple Pay, then you don't have to worry about. This is the only 2 items that I purchased in Dillard's in good price. I pay like 20 something dollar of this, and this one's $33, which is really good deal. And also they at removable chain. The chain itself, it's very light, it's not heavy at all, which is really good. And it doesn't feels like plastic to me. It's kind of light material. This is my first item from Geiger. So yeah, that's it for my video today, guys. I hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and also share, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.